Mike Smith here again from Complete Window Care. Today I want to talk to you about screens. It's that time of year when everybody's going to start opening up their doors and their windows, and you're going to see screens that are all beat up. You might have screens that are bent up like this one is, or screens that have some torn up mesh in them like this. You got holes in them, and sometimes they're just ratty looking. They're starting to look bad. You may want to get them fixed up or freshened up. So there's a couple of options. A lot of times, folks, you can run over to Home Depot or Lowe's and grab a screening kit and put new mesh in your screen frames yourself. But a lot of times that's hard to do and keep the tension on the screen. Most screens are made with a bow to the frame so that it keeps this mesh nice and taut. And what can happen is if you rescreen your own, you can get them bowed in real bad, or you can end up with some real loose floppy mesh like that. So what we usually recommend is to just get new screens. New screens are not that much more expensive than just doing screen repairs. And then you know that all these little plastic corners will be in good shape, the sides won't be bowed or flex in, and the window screens will fit correctly, and you won't have any more concerns over loose screens or screens falling out or any of that kind of stuff. So you can either bring your screens into us, or we can actually come out and visit you and get measurements of the screens you need and get you all set with new screens for your windows so you don't have to deal with a summer of trashy bent up screens. Thanks so much for your time. We look forward to hearing from you soon.